Okay, first of all, the honor is completely mine, and I'm so thankful to you guys for giving me this opportunity to attend it because it's been so insightful. It's given me a lot of ideas about how what servant leadership is and how a lot of concepts that you had about a lot of things like leadership and
Yes.
how that comes into the equation. That there's a lot of clarity on that, and how self-love and self-compassion and all, how it can be interpreted in a very different way. So it's been a very insightful process for me. So thank you so much again for the opportunity.
Wonderful. Like I said, it's really great to have you here. And I just heard your feedback about the servant leadership workshop. So, you are attending as part of the UST servant leadership training. So, do you think servant leadership, this type of leadership, will work in a organization like UST, for a profit-based company? What do you think?
I think you all have already proved that it works, right? So I think absolutely, when you all have shown it in the number of years that you all have been using it, and since its inception, it's been in use. So I don't think that's a question. Absolutely, it works, and I think it's a great model to follow because it gives everyone the responsibility, and everyone is takes ownership of what is to be done.
Yes, absolutely. So, wonderful. So, would you be, taking this concept, servant leadership concepts for your future training sessions, and does it will be helpful for you? What do you think about that?
Absolutely, absolutely. I'll be using it not only for my trainings, I think I'll be using quite a lot of it in my personal life because one of the things is self awareness, and I think I have got a lot of areas where I need to work on myself. So, absolutely, there will be a lot of things that I will be using in my professional and my personal life.